Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this tutorial, we will see how we can use reset command. So let's get started. So this is our Git repo and we have currently our repo at index. This one I added a message commit before reset command run. In this commit, I have added a message, this one. So we will see first how to use reset and then we will see how to use reset hard. So the default option, which is mixed, brings our local head at this commit, however, does not remove the changes those are done in this commit. And let's say you come across a situation where you accidentally push some changes, maybe one or two or three, and then want to combine all those changes in one commit, then you can use this option. So let's copy this commit ID, go to your command prompt and run command git reset commit ID. So you see it brings our local head to this commit ID and the commit I did is now a local change. You see file is modified and it displayed this commit as not yet committed. So let's say you have 3 or 4 similar commit ID, then you can commit all those in one commit. So let's say I added, this was my change and I needed to add one more message here or some more code changes. This commit should go along with previous commit. Okay, so now we have local change that contains both these changes. So now let's commit it. Git commit, first we need to add it. Git commit add, git commit -m, new commit contains old commit. Let's push these changes. We need to push this forcefully because our local repo index is behind the GitHub. Okay, changes are pushed. Let's verify on GitHub. I am refreshing window. And you see after hello world, we have new commit which contains old commit message that we added. Let's verify what changes we have in it. So this was the commit previously we added, and this was the commit we added newly. So both these commits combined into one single commit. So that's how you can club multiple commits into a single commit and push it again. That is one of the option. Now let's see what is the second option. The second option is reset hard. So in case we completely want to eliminate this commit from our Git repo, we can use git reset hard. So let's again go to this commit ID, but this time with reset hard, which will set our local repo head only to this index and remove all the commits those are above it. And then we can push it back so that this latest commit will completely be removed. So let's copy this one and run command git reset hard and paste the commit ID. You see it has removed all the changes and head is now at commit hello world edit, which is this one. So now we can push the changes forcefully back to GitHub. Command run successfully. Now, if we refresh this screen, this commit will completely be removed. Here it is. So that's how we can use reset and reset hard commit. If you find the information useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I will see you in next tutorial.